I might have just figured something out here. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah. Yep, that's gonna work. So, see that freaking smallmouth right there? Unreal. So I think if I let this go downriver, I see it right there, and then once it hits a certain point I can bring it back, fighting against the current. I think the smallmouth will see that, and like right there, that's a big smallmouth, or a catfish. Oh, it's a big sauger. Oh buddy, that's a nice one. That is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's a nice freaking fish right there, y'all. Freaking beautiful.